Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We caught one trade today. We ended up catching this short. I'm going to go over this because I wanted to take this long, but Tradovate fucked me over, so it is what it is. Anyway, here's the executions. 2 days left on the Alpha Futures giveaway, so if you guys want to win a 50k zero account, links for the Discord is in the pinned comment. But yeah, we ended up catching this, thankfully. We made the same amount regardless, so it didn't really matter. It was just really annoying. Been having issues with my Tradovate copy trader. And so I've been thinking of getting Tradecopia. So if you guys have ever used Tradecopia, let me know how it is. I'm probably gonna go get that later today, to be honest. Because yeah, sick of dealing with Tradovate. So anyway, coming into the day today, I personally there was like two scenarios I was really looking at. Number one, I wanted to see price trade up. Actually, let me see if I can pull up these drawings really quick. Hold on. So I wanted to see potentially price trade into this 4 hour and then look for sell side below. And then we had this 1 hour gap I was using as a condition. I said, if we respect this 1 hour, I want to see longs to the 4 hour. If we disrespect the 1 hour, then we want shorts to all this low resistance sell side. But overall, I was hoping we'd get manipulation up into this 4 hour and then potentially get shorts back down. So market initially opens up, we get like a perfect Judas swing. We manipulate down into the 1 hour. We end up sweeping out sell side. From here, we get a 30-second inversion. Right here we get this 30-second inversion. I tried to take this, got order rejected. I was going to go break even at the 9:30 wick, and I was literally just going to target a 1-to-1, and as you can see, this literally would have hit in under a minute, so or in about a minute. But yeah, I thought this was a solid trade, so if you guys took this, I think this is a great job. But personally just got screwed by Tradovate, but it is what it is. From there, wait, let me, yeah, the 4 hour gap was up there. So you could have even targeted all the way up to the 4 hour as well. But I personally would have just gone for the 1-to-1 anyway, just because of how this market's been. So we end up catching a 1-to-1 regardless. So like I said, it's the same thing. It's really not that big of a deal looking back now. But at the time, it was really annoying. From there, we come up, we trade into the 4 hour. I don't see anything I want to take for shorts here. We kind of just chop around here. We don't really get good delivery, and we end up trading right through the 4 hour, and we end up sweeping out this other high I had marked out. I think it was an old Asia high. Yeah, old Asia high. So from there, I'm looking and I'm saying, okay, we're super extended to the upside. I know we have higher time frame draws lower, but what I'm just looking at this point is I want to see price rebalance maybe into this 15-minute gap, because you got to think about it. Even if we're bullish, we're probably going to want to retrace into this 15 before going higher. And if we're bearish, we're going to at least trade down to this 15. So I'm looking for a rebalance. We look at ES now. ES now has also swept out higher time frame buy side. It had swept out, I think it was previous day high. So first it swept out London, then it came up and swept out previous day high. So you can see now NQ and ES are both in a spot to distribute lower. Why? Because ES swept out a higher time frame draw. It also has unfilled 15-minute gap right here that it can target. And they've both swept out higher time frame draws and liquidity. So they're both in a spot to distribute lower and potentially want to rebalance for lower. So I'm at this point just kind of waiting for volume to kick in. We did have a 5-minute inversion, but I was willing to take a lower time frame inversion if we got confirmation. So you could see 9:45 manipulated up. 10 a.m. does put in the top wick. It doesn't manipulate into anything, but that's kind of just adding to my confluences. But this was my entry right here. So the reason I took this right here, obviously I didn't end up waiting for the 3-minute. It did end up obviously inversing. I didn't wait for the 5-minute. I took the 2-minute, reason being we inverse this 2-minute gap right here. I think this looks good. This is nice displacement. I want to see price flush into this 15-minute gap. I look at ES. ES also strong 2-minute candle closure and also has an unfilled 15. So I'm thinking at this point, I'll just go break even when ES taps the 15 and hope they both, continue to flush. So I took this on the 2-minute, basically just based on displacement. We do get a 2-minute inversion. It's not the highest time frame inversion, but again, we have a 15-minute unfilled gap here. I want to see get rebalanced. I'm very confident that price can at least tap this 15. Again, I'm not looking for anything crazy. I'm just looking for the 15. Get in and get out, catch my 1-to-1, keeping my stop protected at the high. And yeah, so took this. I ended up going break even. When did I go break even? I went break even when ES did end up tapping this 15-minute gap. So right here. And I think at that point we were pretty much already at TP. I ended up going break even after we got through this around here, this low, went break even, and then ended up fully hitting TP just for the 1-to-1 again. And as you can see from there, we do end up trading directly through that 15. Now we're kind of just building low resistance right here. So I think we want to go lower from here. I don't really know. We could just continue to respect This 5 minute gap, maybe want to go lower, but we'll see. I don't think we'd go higher, but we could. But anyway, we'll see what happens in PM. But anyway, that's it from you guys. Again, first trade was great. We get that Judas swing into the hourly 30-second inversion. Again, would have 100% taken this, but Tradovate, it is what it is. So from there, we trade up, take out buy side, 2 minute inversion. I'm looking for a rebalance into this unfilled 15, and then I just take the 1-to-1. It's literally it. So anyway, that's it from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you guys took today. Again, giveaways in the Discord still for 2 more days, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.